How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For other new, thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys know, it's almost Christmas time. It's my dad, like always, goes really crazy with Christmas stuff. It's good for the kids. And my wife says I grew up like this too, you know, and wifey is right. I guess it's good for the kids, you know. The kids really do enjoy things like this, little details. Although my dad really goes crazy on it. But yeah, it's definitely something nice. My baby brother's birthday, which my parents celebrated on Saturday, past Saturday, so I couldn't come. A lot of things going on, as you guys know, but decided to come by on the day off, so got a little present for him. Hoping he likes it, and you guys stay tuned for it.
Okay, let's light it.
Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Tanner. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
There we go.
Make a wish.
You make a wish?
That was my present.
Present first. Su regalo dice.
Abre mi regalo.
That's a big present.
Can I
Another
help
one.
you?
Another present. Oh my God.
It just had to be a car.
Shut up, dude. Look at that.
It had to be.
Oh, you seen it?
¿Qué robo de qué, Tania?
You can only guess.
¿Cómo de qué? Dígame.
Good job, Tanner. Keep going. We'll be here all night.
Who wrapped that? Who wrapped that? 20 tapes. 20 tapes.
What is that? I'm just kidding. Wow.
Mueve acá para el otro lado. y-
¿Ah?
Muévele,
Mira, ahorita. Let's flip it. Ah.
Go. Corvette?
The new one.
The new Corvette? Good job.
You wanna press
All
it
right,
right here?
I think I can
Press
see
it right here.
it.
Press it right here.
Look at his face.
Sounds like brother's car. Oh, crash.
Wow.
Big?
That's weird. Oh, wait. What is this? I'm trying to figure it out. Like, it's probably a car because this guy likes cars.
Tanner.
What do you think?
Tanner.
It's very old city.
Okay. Good job. Wow. Now what? I think that's it.
Oh, wow. The late reaction.
We opened it.
You can open it?
Like it?
We opened it first.
You want it? Okay.
Ahí está tu hermano.
Tell Jenner. What do you tell Jenner? Or tell brother?
Please.
What else?
So I did
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Sarah, tell Sarah thank you.
Thank you.
Sarah.
Tell Sarah thank you. Look at Tanner. Tell Sarah thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, crush. Crush. Come on.
Oh, it has a remote. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna more protected than mine.
That's Deja's new car.
No, it's not Deisha.
Help me. for me now.
Do you love it?
You know, looking for a second one for me.
It has a mirror for. That's funny. That's so cool. You want some? You want cake? You want cake? Eros. Eros. You want cake?
Yes.
You staring at the cake?
She's hungry. Tiene hambre, tiene hambre.
No, you want cake.
You want cake, right?
No, you want it.
You want some?
Oh, you want some.
Like you like chocolate, like you. What's his new word? Is touche.
Sushi. Woo! Ah, go to some.
Go, go.
Call the insurance.
Call insurance.
Ah!
Let's go, Marita.
Ah! Why? Ah!
Go.
Go forward. The left one up. There you go.
You go red.
So you go right and no left and the blinker. No, hold on. Let me see. Look, the blinker. Huh? Alright guys, it was really fun on my brother's birthday. It's my baby brother, Tanner. Just turned 4. Anywho's guys, so we're gonna be getting down to what I promised you guys. I don't stay stock on my thing. So we're actually painting the mirror covers. Why are we going white? Because since the windows are tinted, you won't be able to see them if they're black. So nice and white will definitely be a nice contrast for it. So here's the thing. I was gonna do this one over here to plastic paralyze it, but you guys need to keep in mind to always read instructions. And once again, I make the mistakes for you guys, and you guys learn from my mistakes. A lot of people don't trust plastic dip. Actually, let me put the flashlight over here. It's actually it is paralyzed. But as you guys see here, cap represents paralyzed spray over white plastic dip. So what that means, you gotta put plastic dip first, and then the white paralyzed head on top, just as a glossy finish. I guess you can say it's a paralyzed finish in this case. So I didn't read that, so I pretty much put like 2 layers of it, and then of course it didn't stick to it, so I was like, oh man. So I literally had to use this old sweater, although it looks kind of new, but to wipe down everything. So since I don't have the white paralyzed, I'm trying to get it done by tomorrow's meet. So I had to sand them just like I did my corner and diffuser. Sand them really fast and use the duplicate color perfect match to get a white pearl, of course. So far it's sticking good, even though it's not that hot. I mean, it's nighttime, it's cold. This is kind of how, even though I've showed you guys some of my previous videos, it looks really nice. Same thing with the diffuser. So the reason I sand them is because it comes in glossy black, so it's pretty much the paint is just gonna slide through that. So I'll slide. But yeah, decided to do this, and hopefully it stays good. We're actually on the second layer. You can see I kind of messed up. There's dripping a little bit just because it's cold. It's not exactly hot. You know, if it was hot, it would have been dry on the spot. You guys will see how it looks towards the end. So hopefully it's good. I'll leave them to dry, and then I'll put them on tomorrow, and then hopefully hit the meat. All right, guys. So here we go. We'll see how they dry out for tomorrow, but it's looking good. Let's see if we can get one over here. Oh, no. There we go. Nice. Let's see. Can you guys tell the difference? I think it's pretty good. Wow. Oh my god. I think this one's more paralyzed, the one that I did right now. But you have to watch the cartoon. So guys, like always, honesty first. So I did a duplicate color, and then I did the plastic dip. Let me put this down really fast. So what I did, I put this one as the main color, and then this one towards the end, just to paralyze it. Really nice. I mean, so shiny. Alright fam, so it's definitely getting cold now. I'm going inside. Try to finish this video and upload it tonight if it's possible before Saturday. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it, guys. Anyways fam, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to my channel, guys. Thank you once again. Thank you guys for watching. And remember fam, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy all day, guys. Until next time.